Hi friends, welcome to GK with BK YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discussing about top 20 hot MC questions and answer related to the chapter refraction of light. Let us begin with the first multiple choice question. Which of the following media the light will travel very fast compared to the media? Diamond media refractive index 2.42, kerosene refractive index 1.4, water refractive index 1.31, rock salt refractive index 1.54. In which media the light rays move faster? Here we know that the velocity of the light is inversely proportional to the refractive index. If refractive index is decreases, then the velocity of the light is also increases here. If the refractive index is decreases, velocity is increases. Refractive index decrease ಆದರೆ velocity of light ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು increase ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ refractive index ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಯಾವುದಿದು? Yes, water. Water is the correct answer for the given question. Then next, move on to the next question. A ray of light traveling from kerosene to water. Kerosene to water. Speed up. Kerosene ಇಂದ ವಾಟರಿಗೆ ಲೈಟ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಪಾಸ್ ಆದಾಗ ಅದರ ವೇಗ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. And bends dash and then travel to the alcohol. Slow downs. Then here kerosene to water, then water to alcohol. Here the light ray is traveling from denser to rarer, then rarer to denser, because the kerosene has a refractive index of 1.4 and then water has refractive index 1.33 and then alcohol has refractive index 1.36. Here kerosene is denser, water is rarer, and then alcohol is denser than water. Here the question is like this: a ray of light traveling from kerosene to water and then water to alcohol. Here the correct option for the given question is option D. When ray of light is traveling from denser to rarer, it refracted ray bends away from the normal, and then rarer to denser, the refracted ray bends towards the normal. Here the correct option is option D. The next, move on to the third question. In the experiment of refraction of light through a glass slab, which of the following situation refraction of light takes place? When the angle of incidence is less than 90 degree. If the angle of incidence is less than 90 degree, that means it may be a 2 degree, 3, 4 up to 89 degree. That means the refraction of light is happen if the angle of incidence must be less than 90 degree or critical angle, like this. The next, move on to the next one is fourth one. An angle of incidence high and then the angle of refraction R are equal in transparent glass slab when the angle of incidence is 0 degree. That means when light ray is passing along normal, the angle of incidence is equal to angle of refraction is equal to 0 degree. The next, move on to the fifth one. The absolute refractive index is always, we know that the formula of refractive index is equal to C divided by V. C is nothing but the speed of light in vacuum. The speed of light in vacuum is always greater than the speed of light in ಎನಿ ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಟ್, ಬೆಳಕಿನ ವೇಗ ನಿರ್ವಾತದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ವಾಟರಲ್ಲಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಗ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾವುದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರು the speed of light in vacuum is more than the speed of light in given medium. Therefore, the refractive index, absolute refractive index is always greater than 1. The next, sixth one, the absolute refractive index of a material depends on, that means the refractive index is depending on, one is nature of the medium, temperature and wavelength, then another one also color of the light, also color of the material. Totally this option D is the correct answer. Nature of the medium, temperature and wavelength of material. The next, move on to the next one is indicate the color which travel through a glass with minimum speed. With a minimum speed, that we called as an yellow, because if the wavelength is decreases, the velocity of the wave is increases. We know that wavelength range of visible light V2 are 400 nanometer, 400 nanometer to 750 nanometer. Red color has 750 nanometer, violet has 400 nanometer. Therefore, if the wavelength is increases, velocity of the wave is also velocity of the wave is increases antakantadu. The next, the focal length of a convex lens will be maximum for which color anta kelidare. Yav color focal length? That is, yes, red color has more focal length. The next question, the focal length of a lens depending on, the focal length of the lens depending on, yes, color, then next radius of curvature, and then material of the medium, that means optical density, and then totally all the above. The correct answer is all the above. The next, 10th one, a lens of plus P power, positive power, is immersed in water. Its power is decreases, because if the focal length is increases, the power is decreases. When the lens is immersed in water, the focal length of the lens is increases, the power of the lens is decreases. When a beam of light is traveling through a medium which has a lesser velocity of light, then the value of wavelength and frequency will be lesser velocity. Lesser velocity here means wavelength is decreases. Here the wavelength is decreases, frequency does not change. That means even a ray of light is traveling from here rarer to denser medium, wavelength changes, then velocity, direction, amplitude changes, but frequency remains constant. Here when rarer to denser medium, when light ray is traveling from rarer to denser, what happens? Wavelength is decreases, velocity is also decreases, therefore, but the frequency is constant, frequency remains constant. Here the correct option is option C. The next, the main cause of decreasing intensity of light on refraction is, when any light ray is incident on a medium, what happens? A part of the light is reflected, the part of the light is observed by the water particles here, and then part of light is transmitted. Total here the partially the light is reflected and then partially absorption. The next, sin I by sin R is equal to constant. The value of constant depending on, constant here is refractive index is depending on pair of medium, color of incident light, wavelength, refracting nature of the material. The correct answer for this one is all the three. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. Option D is the correct answer. Refractive index is depending on pair of the medium, color of the incident light, wavelength, and then refractive nature of the material. The next, an hunter desired to shoot a fish whose image could be seen through the clear water. His aim should be below the apparent image of fish. Below the apparent image of fish. Nothing but here it is the one of the effect of refraction of light. When a person is observing from rarer to denser medium, the object or the fish appears to be raised here. The fish appears to be raised. Then and vice versa. When an observer in the denser medium and viewed to a rarer medium, the objects appears to be further. ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ನೀರಿನಿಂದ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅಪರೆಂಟ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ದ ರಿಯಲ್ ಹೈಟ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ರೇರರ್ ಟು ಡೆನ್ಸರ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ, ಹಿಯರ್ ಅಪರೆಂಟ್ position is smaller than the real position. Here the correct option for the given question is below the apparent image of fish. The next, a monochromatic beam of light passing from a denser medium to rarer medium. As a result, monochromatic means single colored. Example, laser light is a monochromatic. Sunlight is a polychromatic. Because sunlight is made up of 7 colors, it is a polychromatic. Monochromatic means single colored, single wavelength colored light is traveling from denser medium to rarer medium. What happens here? The wavelength is increases because velocity is v is equal to f lambda. Frequency is constant. If the velocity is increases, that means if the wavelength is increases, the velocity of the light is also increases when the light is traveling from denser to rarer. Denser ಇಂದ ರೇರರ್ಗೆ ಪಾಸ್ ಆದಾಗ ಅದರ ವೇವ್ಲೆಂತ್ ಅಲೆ ಉದ್ದ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲೆ ಉದ್ದ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆದರೆ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿನೂ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ರಿಮೈನ್ಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರು ವೇವ್ಲೆಂತ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಸ್. ದ ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ರೇ ಬೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅವೇ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್. Next, decreasing in the aperture of the lens changes. That means decreasing in the aperture of the lens changes. Here what happens means the intensity of the image is decreases. So if you are decreasing, the intensity of the image is decreases. The next question, how will the image is formed by the convex lens be affected if the central portion of the lens is wrapped in black paper as shown in the figure? Here the central portion is wrapped in black paper. What happens here? The correct answer for this one is full image is formed but it will be less brightness ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಈ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಪಾರ್ಟನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಶೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಫುಲ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬ್ರೈಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 18th, a convex lens placed in liquid of refractive index equal to that of lens it work has plain glass plate. It work as a plain glass plate because the focal length is increases to infinity ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಫೋಕಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಹೇವ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಎನ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್. The next, the convex lens of focal length f is cut perpendicular ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ದ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಎ ಆಪ್ಟಿಕ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ನ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಇಂಟು ಟು ಹ್ಯಾವೆಲ್ಸ್ ದ ಫೋಕಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಆಫ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಎಫ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಎಫ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫೋಕಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1/f ಇರೋದನ್ನ 1/f ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1/f ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಫ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆದಾಗ 2/f ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. therefore f dash is equal to 2 times of original focal length. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, the focal length is increases to 2 times the original focal length, then power is decreases to half. ಇಲ್ಲಿ focal length ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದರ focal length 2f ಆಗಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. then the power of the lens is decreases to half of the original power of the lens. next here ಹಾರಿಜಾಂಟಲಿ, ಅದು ವರ್ಟಿಕಲಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾರಿಜಾಂಟಲ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅದರ ಪೀಸ್ನ ಫೋಕಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ದ ಫೋಕಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ದ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಕಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಹಾರಿಜಾಂಟಲಿ ಟು ದ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್. therefore the frequency does not change, focal length does not changes, the power of lens is also not changes. These are all the top 20 questions. This chapter multiple choice questions are continued in the next video. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ಇದೇ ತರಹದ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.